welcome back to my channel. I am Shreya and welcome to the day 3 of Diwalog 2020 series. So before I start with the video, if you guys haven't participated in the giveaway, I have a giveaway going on. So check out day 1 of Diwalog 2020 and participate in the giveaway. And I have lot more other giveaways on way for you guys. So now let's begin with today's video. So by the title you guys already know today's video is going to be a beginner's festive makeup kit under Rs.500. Now talking about makeup, it's always expensive, but it's really hard to find out good quality products at a budget. So here I have got you sorted. I have included each and every makeup product right from the beginning under Rs.500, and trust me, the products are really of good quality, so you don't have to compromise on the quality of products if you are on a budget. So let's just get started with today's video. So before I forget, the links of all the products will be in the description box, so do not forget to check it out. So let's just start with the step 1 of makeup, which is primer. Now I am a person who tries to avoid primer as much as I can, but that might not be the case for you. So I usually do natural makeup looks, so I don't actually require a primer. I use aloe vera gel instead and it does the job pretty good. But if you're someone who does heavy makeup, I would suggest you to use a primer. So here I have both the options. Like under 500 I'll also give you aloe vera gels as well as primers. Like for primer you can go for this NY Bae primer. So this is how it looks like, and this one is pretty affordable. I just bought this one to try it out because I don't actually use primers, but this is really good. I've used it 3 or 4 times and turned out really good. It's a silicone primer, and also the price of this one is like 225, so that is really affordable. You can definitely go for this. I also own a primer from SFR Colors, which is a tinted primer, and that is more of a cream based primer. So if you are someone with dry skin and does not want to go for a matte finish, you can go for the Swiss Beauty primer, which is a cream primer. Now talking about the aloe vera gels, first and the famous of all, you can go for this Patanjali aloe vera gel. Like this is the most affordable gel you can ever find. Obviously this is the gel I'm talking about. And the another aloe vera gel which I would recommend is from Indus Valley. It's their organic aloe vera gel. So this is from Indus Valley and it's their organic aloe vera gel. So this one is also very hydrating and does the job pretty good. So you can go for any of these 3. Now let's move on to the step 2 of makeup, which is foundation. Now this is the main part of your makeup, and if your foundation doesn't sit well, your makeup look is not going to turn out good. So it's really necessary to have a really good foundation as your base. So here I have the best option for you guys, and it's pretty obvious. I have the Maybelline Fitme. I am in the shade 125. However, I also have many other shades in this range, but this foundation skin type you might have, this is gonna suit you. Also it has many colors, so you can buy according to your skin tone. So this is how the packaging looks like, and I would suggest you one more thing. If you are going for Fitme, go for the newer version. It has a pump, so it's really convenient. The earlier versions didn't have this pump. Foundation is for 500, but again you have a cheaper alternative. You can buy these tubes from Maybelline Fitme. So you can buy these tubes from Maybelline Fitme. These are only for 300. So I got this in the shade 128. It's the same foundation. The only difference is that you get a smaller size, and the price of this one is 300, which is very affordable. So you can definitely go for this one in case the bottle one goes off the budget. So yeah. And let me tell you, Maybelline foundations are the best. I have used so many foundations till now, and I have never found any foundation which could replace this one. I always have a backup of this one. Now let's move on to step 3 of makeup, which is concealer. So for concealer, the first option that I have is the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. So this is how it looks like. This is quite good product, but the only problem which I have with this one is the consistency is really thick. So if I apply it, it just sits too much on my face and creates a patch, and I am not really a big fan of this. However, maybe if you are with oily skin or normal skin, this might work well for you. Coverage wise, everything, it's really good. The only thing you need to be careful about is apply good amount of moisturizer before you are using this. The next concealer which I have is also from Fitme, Maybelline. So it's their Maybelline Fitme concealer. So this concealer is favorite of mine. I'm in the shade 20 Sand. So this concealer is really good. It's the same consistency as the foundation, a bit thicker. I love the consistency of this concealer. Also it has many shades. You can pick anything accordingly. Quality is top notch. So you can definitely go for this one. And also this one is really good coverage wise. So you can just choose with what you want. Now let's move on to eye makeup. So eye makeup is really important to enhance your makeup look. And talking about eye makeup, the main part are eyeshadow palettes. Now it's really difficult to find a good eyeshadow palette with good consistency and pigmentation under Rs.500. However, you have seen me using the Makeup Revolution palettes for so long. These are my favorite palettes. I own two palettes. One is the pink and one is this neutrals palette. However, these are not under 500 rupees. But many a times you get sale in which you get two palettes for Rs.1000. Which means basically they are like for 500. The original price of this one is around 1000 for one. But sometimes there are buy one get one offers going on. So if that's the case, you can buy this. But I also have another alternative ready for you guys. You don't have to wait. So if you want to have an eyeshadow palette under 500, there are many palettes available in the market. I'll insert some pictures right here because I don't really have those palettes, but what I have is this eyeshadow single. What this eyeshadow singles means, it has a single color in this box. So you can buy 3 or 4 boxes of this kind, because if you're a beginner and if you're someone who doesn't do a lot of makeup or doesn't use makeup every day, you can buy colors of your choice in this single form. And if you have 5 or 6 colors, you can create tons of looks with those colors. Talking about the price, these singles are only for Rs.125. This one are from NY Bae. So this is how the packaging looks like. I'm gonna show you the close-up also. So this is how it actually looks like, and this is the close-up. Like, it's pretty pigmented, and also it has shimmer as well as matte options. Also you get lot of colors in this one. So if you are even going for wedding or some festive looks, this eyeshadow palettes will be enough for you. So you can go for the singles of this kind. So this is the another shade which I have from this eyeshadow single. This one is also from NY Bae, and this is a dark maroon color. Now the next part in eye makeup is eyeliner. Now you can get lot of eyeliners under Rs.500. However, I'll always recommend you to go for a good quality eyeliner, because if you go for cheaper eyeliners, it won't last you longer and also it will affect your eyes. So don't do that. So the eyeliner which I own is from Sugar. It's their micro eyeliner in the shade black. So this is basically a sketch eyeliner. Like, you can just look at the point. So if you are a beginner and you are just starting off, you can use sketch eyeliners. It are really these eyeliners are really easy to have a winged eyeliner. And also you can have eyeliner from Colorbar. They also have really good quality sketch eyeliners. Otherwise there will be a lot of eyeliners. You also have colossal eyeliner from Maybelline. All of them are under 500, so you can choose from them. The next part in eye makeup is obviously a kajal. Now it's one of the most used and favorite part of makeup. So kajal, definitely you have a lot of options under Rs.500. I remember the first kajal which I used was Colossal from Maybelline. It's top notch. Another one is Iconic from Maybelline. Iconic from Lakme, sorry. So I still use that one, but I'm not able to find where I kept it. So I have a new addition to the list. I got this Jovi's Kajal. So this is how it actually looks like. I was actually using this for the first time and didn't have much expectations from this, but this is really smudge proof. The pigmentation of this Kajal is top quality, so I'd highly recommend you to go for this one also. Now the last step in eye makeup is obviously mascara. So if you are someone who's looking for mascara, you cannot have anything better than Maybelline mascara. So this Maybelline, it's their Hyper Curl mascara. I'm in the shade Black Waterproof. Now Maybelline has lot of good quality mascaras, and you can just buy any mascara of your choice. They have hyper curling, hyper voluminous, hyper lash, all the mascaras. You can just have any of this. This variant also has lot of shades and lot of different categories like waterproof and non-waterproof. You can go for anything. The another important part of makeup are compact powders. So I have this compact powder from Maybelline Fitme. This is really good quality. So you can see that here you have this compact powder, here you have this mirror, and you also get a puff right here. Now I am in the shade 120. You can have any shade of your skin tone, and this is also really good quality. It sets your makeup really well, also provides coverage. So this is definitely good buy. Now the next makeup product that we are going to talk about are blush. Now blushes are really important in giving you that pinky face. So the first ever blush which I had was from this Wet n Wild Color Icon collection. So it's broken right now, but this is really good. I just broke it a few months ago, and this one is for 300 if I'm not wrong, and you also get lot of shades in this blush. However, I have this coral shade which complements each and every skin type. Another option which I have is this blush from Stay Quirky. So it's their Cheeky Girls blush. So this one I have recently got, and I have tried this once or twice and I've really loved. So the shade is really pretty. You can definitely try this. Now the next thing which on my list is highlighter. Now you can definitely get good highlighters under Rs.500. I have this highlighter from Wet n Wild. It's the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter Stick. So this is basically a highlighter stick, but the quality of this one is too good. I usually use this in all my looks. It has balm-like consistency and blends so good. You don't even need to touch it. Like, it's just blended when you apply it. So that's the quality of this one. The next makeup product which we are going to talk about are bronzers. Now I'm a person who doesn't use much of bronzers, but I have an option for you guys. So I have this bronzer from Purple, and it's for 449 rupees. So this is how it actually looks like. Also it's 2-in-1, so I'm going to show you how it actually looks. So this is how the bronzer actually looks like. You can have a darker shade as well as a lighter shade. Also you get a buff along with it. So this one is actually a really good option. Also you are getting 2-in-1, so why not? And the last and the most favorite and essential part of makeup look are lipsticks. So definitely you can have tons of lipstick under Rs.500. I am going to share few of my favorites. So obviously the first favorite has to be Maybelline. So I have this lipstick from Maybelline Brick collection. It's the creamy matte range, and this shade is my favorite. It's a 05 East Village Rose. So basically this is a bullet lipstick. Now if you don't want to go for bullet lipstick, you are a fan of liquid lipstick, you can have this Maybelline Liquid Sensational Liquid. It's in the shade 11 Made Easy. Now if you want to watch a video where I'm sharing my top 5 lipsticks under Rs.500 and also the nude ones, I already have a video. I'll mention the link in the description and also above in the cards. You can go and check that out. I have covered all the lipsticks there. So yeah, that brings us to the end of this beginner's makeup kit video under Rs.500. So I hope you guys would have loved all the products, and if you don't own any of this, go and buy it. These are really good quality products. And also do not forget to participate in the giveaway, and do watch the Diwalog videos. I'll be posting a new video each day, and I'll see you guys in my next video tomorrow.